Part 2 starts from here. The next question. A boy throws a ball horizontally from a window 500 meters above the ground in one building so that it enters the window 10 meters above the ground in the other building. You can see here this is their first building, and the boy throws a ball from the window 500 meters above the ground, and he throws the ball such that it enters the window of their second building. This is the second building, which is just 10 meters above the ground. Now these two buildings are 100 meters apart. We need to find the horizontal velocity of the ball. So first of all, what is given and what needs to be found. So here the horizontal distance between the two buildings is given as 100 meters. The height of the first building is given as 500 meters, whereas the height of the other building is given as 100 meters. And we need to find the horizontal velocity of the ball. So now how are we going to find this? Here, first of all, we have to consider this horizontal motion. Horizontal distance between the two buildings. The horizontal distance between the two buildings is given as 100 meters, and we know the formula for the horizontal distance is initial velocity along the horizontal motion into time of flight. So in this question, this is given to us, and we need to find the horizontal velocity, and the time of flight is not given. So now to use this formula and to find the horizontal velocity, first of all we need to find this time of flight. Now how are we going to find this time of flight? This time of flight can be found out by considering the vertical motion of the ball. So the vertical motion of the ball is y is equals to uyt plus half ayt square. Now, as the projectile moves with constant acceleration in the vertical direction, so here the initial velocity along the vertical motion will be 0, and acceleration along the vertical motion will be equals to acceleration due to gravity. So this will come out to Vy is equals to 0 plus half gt square. So if we rearrange, this will come out to be time is equals to 2y upon g. Now g is given as 9.8 meter per second square, but what about y? From where to find this y value? We will be finding this y, which is the vertical distance traveled by the ball, using the height of the buildings. So the height of the first building is given as 500 meter, whereas the height of the second building is given as 10 meter. So the vertical distance traveled by the ball will be height of the first building minus the height of the second building, because it is because the ball is thrown from this point and it reaches this point, so we have to subtract this 10 meter. So the vertical distance traveled by the ball will be 500 minus 10, that will be equals to 490 meter. Now we can substitute this value in this formula. So I'm just substituting the values here. So this will come out to be 2 into 490 meter upon 9.8 meter per second square. So on solving this, we will get the value as 10 seconds. So here we have found out the time of flight. Now substituting the value of t and x, that is the time of flight and the horizontal distance, we can find out the horizontal velocity. So now let us substitute the values. X is equals to ux into t. So the horizontal distance is given as 100 meter. We need to find the horizontal velocity, and the time of flight is 10 seconds. So the horizontal velocity will come out to be 100 meter upon 10 seconds, that is 10 meter per second. So 10 meter per second is the horizontal velocity of the ball. Thank you very much for watching this video. For more videos, you can visit our website transellearning.com. Have a great day.